Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm inside the Sanjay Lake Park and where the Sanjay Lake is. This is a point where you start viewing the lake and you can see the waterfowls, maybe ducks, and look like American Peking, and some people say there can be some swans too. You see a little closer look. And here is a sculpture done by some reputed artist. The name is not recorded here, but from the photographs and videos of this I've seen earlier, it doesn't seem it is complete. A part of it is gone. You can see the place where the other part has been welded together and it has gone already. This is most probably the eastern part of the lake, and it is the deepest. Here's a board by the Delhi Development Authority that says the water is very deep here and swimming is not allowed here. Similarly, the water is not fit for drinking or swimming because some sewers flow into this. This is the place where the ducks normally come and rest. They are seen here almost every day. These smaller ones, the colorful ones, are I think neither ducks nor swans or anything like that, but they are just ordinary waterfowls, not even the meat ducks. Here's a close look at what they're doing. They're foraging and looking for seeds of grasses and maybe eating grasses too. They're rather fierce because people keep on coming here, and many people bring eatables. They feed for poultry, bread, and other things. And they feed these water birds and feed it breadcrumbs and other things lying down here. See, the birds are busy foraging. They're eating grass or seeds of grass, you can see. See how people are feeding them. See this fallen tree uprooted, and still it is going, and it gives shade to the water birds. And from the leaves you can see it's a chamois plant. Though I don't see any flowers, but I've seen flowers of the same plant there somewhere else. The area is quite densely populated by trees. See, there's a Benjamin ficus, Ficus benjamina. This is the eastern part of the lake, and it's a quite longer one, and it is supposed to be the deepest here. You see that, and that takes a turn there, it moves that way. And people are quite kind here. People bring seeds and other things for the pigeons and the squirrels. They keep on putting at particular joints from where these birds and animals can pick up food. This is a kind of bamboo, very little one, little lived one, but still they are bamboos. And the funniest thing is this tree, see, it has been uprooted, and it is a neem margosa. I think we can see it uprooted from here up to there, and there's a palm by that side that's also almost uprooted. These are champa. Now there are no ducks over here, but only some waterfowls, which are not clearly ducks. See, very smaller ones you can see there. Maybe they belong to the same family, but a wild one. Here's a powder puff plant. So good, nice flowers over here. So many flowers up there. I don't know whether you can see or not. And possibly these are the seeds of the plant. These are the seeds of the plant. They are very good walkways, you see, and playing places for children. It's definitely a very good place for spending weekends, or if you are having time, come anytime during the day or before the evening. It's a very cool place. Even the hottest of summers, you will find 10 to 15 degrees lesser here the temperature because of the dense cover of trees. And as you can see from here, you can hear from here the noise of vehicles moving on the road, which is just after the compound wall, about 50 meters from here. I can get glimpses of the vehicles moving and the noise of horns and screeching tires. There got a lot of very good plants over here. See this champa, which is just to get flowering. This park plus lake is spread over a huge area. That's about 170 acres. Not a very, it's a flower of champa. These are some structures made for maybe people who come here and they can sit here, I think, or I don't know for what purpose. A lot of people are around, but I'm not showing them because they may have objections if I point my camera at them. So, see the difference between the light conditions. Light condition also shows how the temperature also will be down, because the amount of sunlight coming down here is almost zero at some points, especially see those dark corners. This all still walkways are there, people are moving around, and these trees are shami trees, you know, which has got very funny growth and shapes. See this, how it has branched. Now I'm a little off from the lake point. That's just a few seconds walk from here. And this is the easternmost point of the lake. See, this is the last point of the lake at the easternmost part, and here is one of the deepest points. At a distance, I think you can see the international flag there flying, and here is another flag where you find the ducks, or waterfowls, or whatever they are called. So thank you for watching all the time. Your patience. Come back again for another video, and I would make a request to you to subscribe and to share the video, like it, and support me. Your support means a lot for me because it's a new channel. I need a lot of support. Thanks a lot again. Bye bye. Until next.